how to look at calculator history on iPhone or iPad. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your calculator history on your iPhone. Whether you want to look at your past history of what you've calculated or anything else, I'll show you just how. First things first, make sure you have iOS 18 installed on your device. Open settings, go to general, and on software update, make sure you have the latest update. Now open calculator. Now let's find the history. Simply what you need to do is swipe right like this, and here you can find all the calculations you've done so far. As you can see, it has previous 30 days calculation as well as yesterday's also, and you can simply tap on whichever you want to look at, and that's it. That's how you simply find or look at calculator history on iPhone or iPad. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks.